Most developers are using AI coding assistants completely wrong. You're treating Cursor or Copilot like a fancy autocomplete. You ask for a regex, a boilerplate function, or a quick CSS fix. That's not AI assistance, that's just typing faster. The top 1% of engineers. They aren't prompting for snippets, they're architecting entire systems. I've spent years building scalable infrastructure and watching the industry shift. I've seen the gap widen between the dev who gets stuck in a loop of AI-generated bugs and the senior engineer who uses AI to map out a distributed system in minutes. Today, we're moving past the prompt engineering hype. I'm going to show you the exact framework to shift your workflow from writing lines of code to designing high-level systems. You'll learn how to leverage tools like Cursor and Perplexity to handle the cognitive load of software architecture, so you can focus on the high-level decisions that actually land you senior or staff-level roles. Let's dive in. You're a senior software engineer, but you're still wasting time on boilerplate code. You know the usual suspects: CRUD operations, data access layers, and so on. It's not like you're not skilled enough. It's just that AI coding assistants have become too good at generating this type of code. The problem is, most devs use AI assistants just for this: boilerplate snippets. But what if I told you there's a better way? Top devs use AI assistants for high-level system design, not just code generation. They leverage AI to explore different design options, evaluate trade-offs, and identify potential bottlenecks. By doing so, they free up their time to focus on the really important stuff: software architecture, scalability, and maintainability. But if you're still prompting your AI assistant for snippets, you're leaving a lot of value on the table. It's time to stop prompting and start architecting. Here is the hard truth. Most developers are using AI assistants the wrong way. They treat Copilot or Cursor like a faster version of Stack Overflow. They ask for a regex. They ask for a boilerplate React component. They use AI to write code faster. But writing code faster isn't the goal. Solving problems efficiently is. If you only use AI for snippets, you're not becoming a better engineer. You're just becoming a faster typist. The top 1% of devs have shifted their mindset. They stopped prompting for code and started architecting for systems. This is the architectural shift. Instead of asking the AI to write the function, you ask it to challenge the design. Let's break down exactly how to do this. Step 1, the trade-off analysis. Junior devs ask, how do I implement a caching layer? Senior devs ask, I'm considering Redis for this specific workload to reduce DB load, but I'm worried about cache invalidation complexity. What are the trade-offs compared to a simple in-memory cache here? See the difference? One asks for a tutorial, the other asks for a strategic decision. You are using the AI as a sounding board, not a ghostwriter. This is where tools like Perplexity AI become lethal. Use it to research the latest industry standards before you write a single line of code. Don't guess, verify. Step 2, contextual refactoring. This is where Cursor AI wins. Because it indexes your entire code base, you can stop thinking in files and start thinking in flows. Stop asking it to fix this bug in line 42. Instead, prompt it to analyze the data flow from the API gateway to the persistence layer and identify potential bottlenecks. You're directing the AI to perform a systemic audit. You aren't managing syntax anymore. You're managing architecture. Finally, step 3, edge case stress testing. Before you ship, don't ask the AI to write tests. Ask it to act as a chaotic user and find 5 ways this architecture could fail under high concurrency. This forces the AI to think critically about your design flaws. When you move from write this to analyze this, you stop being a coder and start being a software architect. That is the secret to staying relevant in the AI era. Now, you can't do this with a basic chatbot. To actually architect at scale, you need tools that understand your entire code base, not just the open file. That's why I've moved my entire workflow to Cursor AI. It doesn't just suggest snippets, it understands the context of your whole system. Combine that with GitHub Copilot for the raw flow and Perplexity for deep technical research, and you've essentially got a senior architect in your pocket. The results? I've cut my boilerplate time by nearly 80%. But more importantly, I'm spending my brain power on the why, not the how. If you're ready to stop being a prompt engineer and start being a system architect, check the links in the description. Grab Cursor and the other tools I use to 10x my output. Hit subscribe if you're ready to evolve your career.